Hi guys! So today's video is 10 expensive products that are totally worth it. Now over the years I've tried both budget and expensive products. I love certain products that I've been using for years and years and years, and sometimes I feel like it's not just good because it's expensive, but it saves you a lot of money even though it's expensive, and I will explain why in the video, so check it out. Now, if there's one product you want to get from this whole list, it's this. It's the ESTEE LAUDER Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is my favorite high-end product. I use this every day and I've been using it for a few years. This is about 8,000 rupees here. But of course, you can get a 100 ml bottle, which is cheaper, which I bought like at airports. If you watch my Korea vlog, the details are here. Totally worth buying. I used to use this twice a day. I use it once a day now at night. It's the best serum out there, guys, and this will save you a lot of money. Okay, now a lot of people say, oh my god, 8,000 rupees for this bottle. This bottle is really potent. I do not go for facials. I do not do other skin treatments. When I was using this, it's the only thing I used to use with the moisturizer, and it totally works, and it really maintains your skin. So when you say you're spending 8,000 bucks on this, you're not spending on other stuff. So in the long run, it really saves you a lot of money. Like, I know a lot of people do a lot of high-end facials, all of that. It's anti-aging. It's amazing for your skin. Like, your skin just feels great when you use this. The other thing I love about it is that it's like for any kind of climate. Like, I use this in the summer, in the winter. Like, I change my moisturizer with this, yes, but your serum can be the same through the year. And it's like my one-stop shop for everything. Like, when I had TB, I put nothing on my face except this because I was breaking out a lot. You can see my skin is clearing out now. This is like a miracle beauty product, honestly. Up next, we have BIODERMA SENSIBO Water. Now, this I discovered many years ago while I was a model. It is amazing for makeup removal. You know, I don't like oil-based makeup removers. I feel like they leave your skin greasy, and I do not like that. I like water-based, which is what this is. It's so light and it gets everything off. Okay, this is about 800 and something here. Really worth it, guys. It lasts for long. Like, you just got to put it on a cotton pad, you know, wipe your face. It's also great for a pick-me-up, like in between, like, you know, when you're like really tired in the day and you just wanna, and you don't really want to wash your face with a cleanser and stuff, like as a not as a dry cleanser, what would you call it? Like, you just put it on cotton, wipe your face, and you're going to be like a week. So yeah, it's great for that as well. But it's amazing for people with sensitive skin. So I have sensitive skin. I've had acne prone skin because I've had acne. I used this when I had acne also. I did not have any problems. They also now have an acne version, I think, like a green cap, if I'm not mistaken, which is also supposed to be really good. But this is what I've been using and I love it. Up next, we have my favorite lip balm, which is my BURTS lip balm. Now guys, you guys know I wear this every single day. Now, it is an expensive balm in India. Unfortunately, it's about 1,300 bucks and you only get it at Sephora. But it's totally worth it. It has a lovely tint. The shade I use is Rose, which is really pretty. It gives you a nice, like, pinkish lip tint, but it just hydrates your lips. It's great for your lips. I love BURTS products, and again, I feel like, you know, things that you use every day, like, I wouldn't really want to save on that. Like, I'd rather buy a good lip balm that works for me because it lasts for a few months, especially if you use it every day. Like, I don't wear lipstick every day, but I definitely wear my balm every day. So yeah, I would totally recommend this for someone who's looking for a great lip balm and you're not afraid about spending. This is the one you want to get. Now, this one is going to be a little surprising for you guys. A lot of you have seen it in my video and you guys said that I wrote that I would never buy it. Like, this was actually in my anti-haul video ages ago before I tried it. But guys, this is amazing. Like, the one with my anti-haul was actually like those colorful ones, the peel-off ones and whatever. But this one, the GLAM Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Oh my god, this is the best mask out there. So this is 4,400 for I think 50 ml. It's so good, especially for people with acne. Like, I honestly feel like my acne gets reduced when I use this. It's also great for oily skin. Vaibhav loves this. He has oily skin and he uses it too. Like once a week we use this. So as I said, with these products, all our spa treatments, pampering sessions are at home on a Sunday. Like you don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to spend additional money. And also when you think 4,000, think how many times you'd be able to use that mask. It's not a one-time thing. Like when you go to a parlor for a facial, it's 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, whatever. But it's a one-time thing. This is like, you can use this for a couple of months at least. And it is so, so good. Like if there's one mask you want to invest in, it's this. Up next, we have the Clinique Anti-Blemish Gel. Now this is a spot treatment which works really, really well. It's about 3,000 rupees for this tiny bottle, but honestly, it lasts forever. Like I think I've had this for over a year and I still have a lot in it, because you just literally take like a dot like that and then you apply it onto the affected area, and you can wear this under your makeup every day or at night. And yeah, it really, really shrinks pimples. Like every time I have a big pussy guy, this works really, really well. Like if you have acne prone skin like me, keep this in the house, guys. It's amazing and it lasts forever. Like if you say 3,000 rupees, this is going to last you at least a whole year. So divide that, 12 months, 365 days into 2,900. I mean, divide by 2,900. What is that? Okay, now I'm not someone who spends a lot on makeup, but I love lipsticks. And the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lipsticks are some of my favorites. Like I've recently discovered these, like when I was doing the lipstick challenge. Oh my god, like I would buy like 20 of these. They're so good. I am wearing my favorite shade right now, which is Mughal. And yeah, they have a lot of different shades. I think about 15-20 shades available online. And it's about 1,825 rupees. But it's really, really like a large, long, you know, like tube or whatever it's called. Like I think this would last really long. Also, the lipstick itself is really long lasting. Like you apply this once in the day and you're good. It's pretty potent. The colors are really pigmented. And what I love is it's a matte but a non-drying matte. You know, like normally matte lipsticks are dry and like your lips tend to crack and stretch. With this, that does not happen. It is beautiful. Stays like this, and yeah, the formulation is totally worth it. So if you're looking for a expensive liquid lipstick, I would totally recommend these. Up next, we have my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz brow pencil. Now this is probably the most expensive brow pencil I own. It is about 2,200 and something. It is amazing. Okay, so totally worth it if you're someone who likes to do your brows. This gives you a very natural look and it's got a very fine tip. So it's beautiful. Like if you look at this, the tip is really fine. And to draw on, like you can actually draw on, it looks like a strand of hair, you know, when you do it. I will put a video here, which is the actual lady from Anastasia Beverly Hills who was down here, who introduced me to this, doing my brows. Like, the stuff she did with this pencil, I cannot tell you. I was just like blown away, like amazing. Totally worth it. They are known for their brow products. They also have a brow gel, like a tinted gel, which is really nice. But if you're looking for one product, this is the one you want. Like this is what I use all the time. Like even if I'm just going out for an event or whatever, just draw on a little bit of brow here and there, and yeah, it looks really natural, but it gives you like that pop. Now, if there's one product you don't want to save on, it's sunblock. Okay, so this is HELIOCARE 360, which is a mineral sunscreen. I did a whole video on sunscreens, guys, in detail. If you don't know what physical and mineral sunscreens are, it's here. This is expensive. It's about 3,000 rupees in India because they're not officially available. Like I think you just get them at like chemists and things like that. My dermat recommended this to me, and then I did some research. It's one of the best sunscreens ever. Okay. UVB protection, UVA protection, Hevis IRA protection. I don't even know what that is, but yay for that. SPF 50 plus, and it's very light. Like mineral, you know, sunscreens normally give you that white ashy look. This doesn't do that. It just gets absorbed. It's kind of matte-ish, so it's not very greasy. It is really good. Now I feel like I get a lot of sunspots. Like you can see this spot on my nose, which is due to like not wearing sun protection often. Or I get a lot of freckles, which I love. But yeah, I mean, like a lot of spots. my skin is not good with the sun, like I need some protection. So definitely when I travel, at least I always use this. So I would say invest in a good sunscreen because it's gonna go a really long way. Like, you know, people who look really young when they're older, like most of them say their biggest tip is to wear sunblock. Like, so I would say invest in this. Now this has been one of my favorite makeup products since my modeling days. It's BENETINT by Benefit. You can tell from the wear and tear on the bottle that I've been using this for a while. This is the best tint in the market, guys. It's about 3,000 rupees, but it has a brush which is kind of like a nail polish brush. It's very liquidy, very light, but really potent. Like, this is my favorite lip and cheek tint. Like, I've been using this for I don't know how many years. Again, as I said, 3,000 rupees, yes, but this bottle will last you forever. Like, I've been using this already for what, 4 or 5 months, like, and it's just like halfway there. So if you're a tint person, I would totally invest in this. Again, this will last you, even if you use it every single day, I would say this would last you at least 3 to 4 months, and that's like what, per day? Do the math, I don't know, but it is really worth it. Like, I know when you buy a product and you see 3,000 as the price tag, you think, oh my god, for a makeup product, but this lasts forever. It's natural. It's something you can use under your lipstick for a like poppy or pink. It's something you can just wear when you swim. Like, I love to wear it at the beach, at the pool. It's the only thing that sticks around. Gives your cheeks a nice flushy look. Totally worth it. Now, I'm not really an eyeshadow person, but if I were to tell you to invest in one palette, it is this one, which is the Major Metals palette by Smashbox, okay? It has these beautiful metallic shades that look amazing. Now, I know a lot of you will say, oh, the Huda Beauty palette is this, that, yeah, but that's 5,000 rupees, and this is for people who are not people who have a lot of palettes, you know. Like, I would say if someone's looking at investing in 1 or 2 things, because I feel like metallic colors like gold or this dull gold, you can wear a lot. Like, you can wear this in the day, you could wear like the more potent colors at night, and I feel like the best part about these is that you can apply them with your finger. Like, how cool is that? Like, you just, you know, pack them on this way. And I'm gonna do one eye in a different shade so you guys can see 2 shades, one silver, one gold, but it is beautiful. Like, it's so easy to apply. Like, you do not have to think, you know, like for dummies like me who are not like makeup gurus. I love how shiny they are, and this is for like people who are not great with makeup and they just want to, like, you know, pack on some potent color. Cut, done. Cut, done. So yeah, if you're looking at a fun palette to invest in. So guys, these were 10 products I would say that are totally worth investing in. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do a budget version of this also, like maybe 10 products under 1,000 which are great. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.